handling links. Here text links, image link, that we will discuss in image topic. Image topic. Okay. Handling links. I already told, I think yesterday, powerful object or element in web environment is link, linking pages, linking applications. If no link, then no meaning of web, no meaning of World Wide Web. Okay. Here, before discussing about actions on link element, some hearing. See, types of links, Akila. Types of links. See, UI design point of view, we have two types of links. Text links. Example, Gmail link in Google homepage. Next, image link. Say, user friendliness point of view, web developers or web designers may use image links, but functionality is same. Image link also redirects to another location. Image links. Example, test boards. Just a minute. Test boards link in selenium.dev homepage. Next, functionality point of view, internal links. What are internal links? It's a functionality point of view.
URL.
Pardon?
URL, sir.
Your answer is confusing. What is URL? What are internal links? Internal links
in same application.
They redirect to same application. Another location in the same page or another page in the same application. Internal. One web application internal. Getting?
Okay, sir. So,
You are saying in dull mode. Just observe. Suppose Selenium page in Wikipedia. Selenium software. Okay. Oh, Wikipedia. Not Wikipedia. Wikipedia? Just a minute. Selenium page. Okay. Observe. Here, Selenium IDE link is there. Click this link. It is internal link. Redirected to another location in the same page. Suppose click this create account link. It is an internal link. Redirected to another page in the same application. Next, click this selenium.dev. This is external link redirecting to another application. Getting any confusion, Akila?
No, sir.
Next, external. External links. External links. Next, in some applications, customer care area, we can find MailTo Links. MailTo Links. Functionality point of view. Did you find this MailTo Links?
Yes, sir.
Suppose in some applications you can find contact like email. If you click that one, it will open mail page with two address.
Yes.
Mail page. You can just type the subject and body, mail body. Two address it will display. MailTo Links. Next. Broken links. Broken links. See, these are the types. Broken links. First two, text links, image links. UI design point of view. Remaining links, functionality point of view. Internal links, external links. Next, MailTo Links, broken links. What is a broken link? Have any idea, Akila? Broken link.
No idea, sir.
No idea. It's
No.
very common. See, in general scenario also, forget about testing, forget about development. Can you tell me, Saurav Ghosh, broken link?
Link that didn't work as expected.
Yes.
So
Yes.
the website is no longer.
Link that moved or deleted. Earlier it was there, but now moved or deleted. Moved or deleted link. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, I will show. Earlier, I have forum.com/forum. This is broken link. This showing now, page can't be found. Earlier it was there, but now not available. Delete.
No longer available.
No longer available. This is broken link. Okay. Next, manual actions. Manual actions on link element. As usual, these one, just a minute. Check displayed status, enabled status. Next, click means it redirects. Click. Next. Any other?
Getting attribute.
What attribute is there?
Get text.
What attribute? Get text.
Get link text.
Just a minute. Link name. Can we get link name? Class name. I think if you use get text, it may get link. Okay. Return link name. Next, Selenium WebDriver actions. Next, handle Gmail link in Google homepage. Image link we will discuss later. Just a minute. Handle Gmail link. Driver dot. Next, checking whether a link is internal link or external link. That is verification, Saurav, that we will discuss in test cases chapters. Getting for that verification required now. We need to
Yes,
check.
sir.
We need to check whether the link is in same application or other application. That is verification. We can't apply direct WebDriver methods. Logic required. That we will discuss in Selenium WebDriver test cases chapter. Okay. Driver dot get. Suppose launch Google Home. Launch Google Home. Next, handle that Gmail link first.
By using second syntax.
Yes, you can use second syntax, no problem. You can use second syntax. What is that second syntax? Web element. You can use first. Say, if you want to operate any element, if you want to perform multiple actions on any element, you can use first syntax also. Saurav.
Yes.
No restriction.
Yes, sir. I know.
You can use first syntax also for multiple actions on an element and vice versa. Means you can use second syntax for single action on any element, no problem. But if it is single action, use first syntax. If it is multiple actions, use
Second syntax.
But no restrictions, no limitations. And Selenium, you go through the, if you find any leisure time, you go through the Selenium official documentation. In the documentation, they mentioned web element. It is recommendable from Selenium. Web element, suppose Gmail link equals to driver dot find element. Next,
By dot link.
by dot link text value Gmail semicolon. That's it. Next, first check displayed status. Next, enabled status. Next, before clicking the link, return that link name. At the end, click the link. It will redirect to another page. After observing that one, then close the browser window. Say, Selenium recommendation is Selenium supports test independency. Test independency. Say, you can use test dependency also, but Selenium best practice is not best practice, guideline. They already told there are no best practices, guidelines and worst practices. Selenium guideline is, one of the Selenium guidelines is use test independency. Test independency means every test case is independent one, no dependency. In batch testing also, Saurav Ghosh, generally we use dependent test cases. One test case output is input for next test case like. But Selenium recommends independent test cases. Launch browser, perform operations, and close browser. For second test case, again launch fresh browser and perform test operations at the end close browser. No dependency. This is called test independency. If you use test independency, suppose in a test batch, any test case fails at the middle of the execution, then no impact on batch testing. See, launch fresh browser for every test case. Fresh browser, perform test operations, at the end close browser. That we will discuss in batch testing chapter. Now just observe. One of the guideline documentation. Worst practices guidelines. Where is test independency? Observe. Observe, sorrow. It is a guideline from Selenium test independency. Write each test as its own unit. Write the test in a way that will not be reliant on other tests to complete. Getting the point?
Yes, but sir, some tests require to dependency.
You can avoid dependency, no problem. See, you provide the input in second test case.
Yes, sir. Like if I want to verify the sir, like some test required to log in. So login is a one test. So and the second test is inside after login.
For that you create login reusable function.
Oh, okay.
You don't need to depend on the login test case. You create login reusable function. Suppose for creating customer, if you want login, you call login function in your second test case. After login, you don't need to verify login. After login, you continue create customer. At the end, close the browser window. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Say for any pre-setup is required. Any pre-setup is required. For that, you can use reusable functions. Any problem?
Okay.
Okay. Say you can create test cases using test independency or test dependency. And one more thing, Selenium recommendation is test independency. You can avoid test dependency by using reusable functions. Continue. Gmail link. Boolean. Suppose status equals to
Gmail dot is displayed.
Here you can just create Gmail. Lengthy name not mandatory. Otherwise you can use Gmail link, no problem. Gmail dot is displayed. Next,
System status.
Status. It will return true. Next, status is enabled. Next, return link name
String.
String link name equals to
Gmail.get.
Gmail dot get text. Just a minute. String.
This is our link name.
Without link name. Link name. Next. Gmail dot click. It will redirect to Gmail home. It will redirect to Gmail home. You observe, instead of closing immediately, thread dot suppose 3000 milliseconds means 3 seconds. Next at the end, close browser window. Driver dot close. Run the test case, test script. Clicked Gmail. Observe link name first. Displayed status true. Next, enabled status true. Next, link name Gmail. Okay na? Raise query Akila. Raise query. Selenium WebDriver actions.